Alright, so I've just finished up replacing the engine oil. Now that I've replaced the engine oil, I'm going to inspect, clean the air filter. So basically there's a screw here, undo that screw, take the plastic shroud off, see a bit of dust and grass clippings come out. So basically clean that all out. There's a second screw which holds the air filter in place, so undo that one. Pop him aside and simply just pull up your air filter. So this is your air filter. So there's two parts to this. There's sort of like a foam outer case, so that's like your small debris filter. It filters out a lot of fine dust. And then you've got a second part. So your second part is inside here. So it's any typical air filter. I think they're all very similar to this one. I think it's just cardboard or a fine sort of cardboard filter type material. So if anything makes it through the foam, it gets caught up by that filter before it makes its way into your engine via the carburetor. So basically very simple. Compressed air, blow it all out, blow this one out, clean the mower up. Once we've done that, we then need to add just a small amount of engine oil to the foam outer case. So basically what that does is when the engine is sucking air in, it sucks in this tiniest amount of oil through the air filter, through this filter into the engine, preventing engine failure. So super easy thing to do. Compressed air, I've got an air compressor, just blow it out, pop it back in, small amount of oil, squeeze that into your filter and then put it back together. Okay, so I just did that off camera because the air compressor was way too loud. But basically, compressed air, blown that out, blew out my first stage of the filter. In my oil-filled jug, I've just replaced the engine oil. There's a small amount of oil in the bottom. Perfect. So I'm going to dip this into the oil. It's going to soak up a small amount of that, and then I'm just going to work that into the filter. So just keep sort of rubbing that. You want to make sure that this does not become soaked full of oil. If it does, it's got a huge potential for blocking up and not working efficiently. So grab that in. Probably use gloves, guys. I'm not using gloves. Use gloves. Pop that back onto our filter. Pop our filter back on, push it down. This can only go one way, so you can't really bugger that up too much. So pop that down, screw it on. Right, outer case, just quickly wipe that over inside. Pop that on. Screw it down. It's easy as that. Thanks for watching.